Hi and welcome to the monthly video for July 2021.
We've improved usability by allowing drag to select on the axis, giving users the ability to focus on important parts of the data. We've also added alternative measures and dimensions, enhancing users' analytic process with drill-through information by changing measures and dimensions. Reference lines add context to the chart, highlighting important information to the user to help them make informed decisions. Additional measures can be visualized using the Color by Measure feature, highlighting additional items inside the Ridgeline Plot. The new context menu improvements on Vizlib Table and Scatter gives the users the ability to add information to the chart and adjust chart display to answer their business questions. Adding values, totals and reference lines and advanced analytics is now possible. Vizlib KPI Designer now has fast access to templates. In just 2 clicks, users can create a KPI using predefined template, allowing them to focus on the data and take advantage of smarter KPI design.
Creating a writeback table from an input form has never been easier. Simply drag the writeback table on top of your form, choose Convert, and writeback table with the same data is created. Note how the input form is still present in form view if you choose to edit a single row. Help users know what to do next. Vizlib actions have made their way into writeback table and input form. On exporting data, we can make selections, change variables, move to a sheet, or use any of the other actions you probably already recognize from our Vizlib Library and Self-service extensions. The color picker from Toolbar has made its way into writeback table. More options, easier to use, and most importantly, it saves a huge amount of space in the property panel. Talking about the property panel, we also added functionality so that you can automatically jump to the correct place. Click on a header and you're taken to the settings for that column. Less scrolling means faster development. The final item this month for Writeback is not exactly a new feature, but with the latest version we significantly improved the bulk edit feature, going from minutes to seconds in update time on larger data sets. In tiles, it is now possible to fade the scrollable area at the top and bottom. This helps users understand there is more data and makes a list just a little bit nicer. If you want different icons for different tiles, they can now be calculated individually. Just flip this small switch and create your tile-specific expression. The entire toolbar can be used on top of the data in the app and sliding in from the side, saving a huge amount of space, and for many customers also covers important use cases where they would otherwise have to create a mashup. Slide it in from the top or left, like this, or create a button that opens a floating toolbar. Move it around and resize it so you can always see your visualizations and handle selections at the same time. In Finance Report, we added 3 customer requests this month. The first one is the possibility to switch to a dimension that is already in use elsewhere in the Finance Report. Typically something like changing the top dimension for a sub-row dimension. Second is a new setting for the scroll bar width to allow better visibility on some high-resolution screens. And finally, for those using the Finance Report more like a regular pivot table, the formatting of the total can be adjusted separately. Remember to keep your ideas and suggestions coming our way. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to follow us on social media.